Ebusian for ha Ghana 7 TV GH, mesra or like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebusian for
part in Kwasia for another how mo. Sa no Owusu bempa ya. On ne kokasaya, the next thing is over got yourself problem. Sa Kwasia for mo nya much dey na mo me talking about our party. We are here, we talk for the party. Maybe they be under mekan. You hear and same penny for the best support here say but has say bekasa. The necessary support, they are not more women than us. I didn't know Owusu bempa ni ma ye ni ma. I was say trying say Owusu bempa na emekasa. So your party communication member so yes the friends the leaders.
Deputy Director.
I was say man I Jimmy forward. We right now turning anybody knows what because I'm a crowd. Yeah, I should forget about those people. The little that we can do, we should do it. Yeah, bet me I call radio so to speak for the party. Because yeah, you can't answer baby chair one. Or better when you answer be and Hobeka or sa family park free. Oh, man, I can't be na and crawl for any angie because only the cocasa want to your bar. The next thing is so Bible. Jimmy San or Modetina or Detina on the man. And I had the opposition. It is such a fool. So I'm a Casabio. We shouldn't even talk with. And Mamma, my man, that relevance. No, media. Yeah, Bahamumi and Candy Power, who here wants a mere Yaman. There's when they speak nonsense and we come here to talk about them. And Quatasama can and spread it. That is what I've realized. Well, okay, and I am concentrated on Quasia, some of Yabana. The issue, other issues here discussing and can make rank and make meaning say, so I can't send fool be cry. Let's ignore him. And that is just by the way. Oh, remember.
All right. Bono East. Good morning.
Good morning. I'm fine. How are you? Yeah, same to you.
I'm alive.
Yeah,
right.
I'm
hoping 5 minutes.
Yeah, I'm hoping for life. It's unfortunate I couldn't join you at Accra, but we are alive.
It's well.
Yeah.
5 minutes, Yanko.
First and foremost, maybe I mention my argument and I say, let's see why Owusu bempa. Owusu bempa was a member of the NDC. I'm broke up a join a Fonka, friends of Nana Kunadu Ajima Rollins. Oko honum wantime anko bobra papa bia amfa Fonka anko babia. And I yeba power in 2016. No, sorry, I call election in 2016. So along that line, that I also found Kenya relevant to be NDC for someone general. Aja party of numbers and a general. But the problem we are facing today is because of the generosity of the MPP. Because the voice.
Yes.
I know, sir, in terms of party communication. Say, I counted the number of times I defended the party on radio. And as we call community campaign, why far more better than Owusu bempa. We have a lot of the party guys out there who have done marvelously well for the party. But you know the unfortunate part of it. This Nipakroya won the toiling that some of us went through before 2016. No. And he has had the opportunity to be the PRO for Ghana Gas. So say can benefited from Nanado's government. He has benefited for the 8 years of this government. PRO for Ghana Gas, Deputy Communication Officer. If I may ask, Station Ben what say Owusu bempa echo communicated for MPP 2022, 2023, 2024. Station Ben. Just recall, we can talk of Kofi Tonto, we can talk about Miracles Hawaji, but Station Ben, and I want to say, Owusu bempa alcohol say or defended the MPP party. So it is an NDC member, a man opportunity to come out of the generosity that we have. And today, I say, as Antifobeka see a chop mama nache ten. And that is what we are benefiting from. That is what we are reaping today. So also, and it's also Bempa, he's nobody. He's nobody. Oko contesting a constituency, vote send or dimina at a parliamentary or report or less than 10 votes. Less than 10. So Owusu bempa is nobody. It is out of the generosity of the MPP, and there we are suffering the suffering of some of his utterances, because someone will say somewhere and say party penny cracker say why a party penny Owusu bempa. And look, he's not better than any of us here. By opportunity, he's leading the party today. He's part of the leadership. So that is it. So Owusu bempa, let's forget about him. 1 year of John Dramani Mahama. First and foremost, a year of failed, broken promises. Why do I say so? Every election be a Yakobiano, the voice. The reason I yet to Obama a political party. Apama Eden Ankra Anasi Timamo every political party the party manifesto, if I'm right.
You are right.
Now, we were told of one thing that everyone keep on ringing it in the ears of Ghanaians, the 24-hour economy. Which part of this country and they are practicing the 24-hour economy? The voice.
Patriotic defenders or TikTok. Patriotic defenders.
Yeah, I think that's exactly true. That's true. Aside of what I say, then let's look at it. The Women's Bank. I call launching Okumase. The voice. Women's Bank, I don't know. Maybe locality Ebiniha. I've moved around Bunu East Ebiniha. Recently, I've been in Ashanti region. Ebini Bebia. Again, yet me ye be launching feed Ghana with the chairman. 12 months down the lane, Obinchere ye idea the feed Ghana and the abba in the economy of Ghana. The voice 1 million coders no mpacho vote more 1 code abi wo honom de.
Mpacho menya ho ye. Koda ba kwa ye wo Accra Abutrika kwa yakochi no.
You see? So a year of failed promises. The voice is a year of hopelessness. Why am I saying say a year of hopelessness? Everywhere can be our Ghana piano. Your ultimate goal is say you work and get paid, right?
Yeah.
So say anya timamufu amaya juma for a year. Now out of 12 months, you say be more 1 month pay. Where is the hope? Mahama is the hope. Where is the hope? Where is the hope? We're promised progress, right? The voice.
Yeah, we did.
Let's pick our hospitals. I want to pick it sector by sector. Let's pick our hospitals. In 2024, if I am sick in Techiman and I'm being referred to Ebia Konfanoche, Ebia TTH, Ebia Kwalebu, in here say my carry folder, right?
Yeah.
What is the state that we are in today?
We are writing exercise books.
Let me again ask you, say, especially one our World Health sector no no. Ebia me, I am me a yare for me Jimmy drew for the past 2-3 years. So every hospital I make biano with the previous administration, no, your family records are you bet my tracy for the past 2-3 years. Every drug beer a doctor a prescribe. Am I right?
You are right.
Today that we are in 2026, if I go to the hospital and imagine 2024, will they be able to identify it?
Forget about it.
So where is the progress? So it is a year of.
In fact, what you just said, no, it's like you have not even really appreciated the danger in it.
That is it.
You see, there are different. We are all human beings, but our bodies are made differently.
Exactly.
A drobi wa in emergency. I can maybe take diazepam and be okay. Maybe you that diazepam no be cool.
You see?
So we can come to the hospital with the same sickness, the same illness, but because of your genetic makeup, the medication that will be given to you will be different. And what determines that is not by mouth, it's not by maybe coming once and going, it's by your medical history. And as it stands now, about 6 years of medical history of this nation is gone into thin air. So
it has been wiped
try
away.
an error. Yes, try an error. We inject you, you die, That's the end.
We were promised progress. The voice. Your drone system, how is it?
Oh.
What is the state of the drone system today? You see, because Abina Ebayan any a fair idea on how to operate on the drones, Some kaya. Yeah, the drones say, but I'm say the betra Emma I say what now by I'm current women's organizer a friend say Hanabisu. Because they do not
have... in a minute. I will come back to you again, okay?
Okay.
So that we have other panelists also contributing here.
Now let me just use this one and then end up. We promise accountability, the voice. Accountability. Oral has worked for 1 year. Ghanaian taxpayers' money has been spent over there. The 1 year of our Attorney General, Sika Sen and Yatimache. So, Reverend, say before 1 year of John Dramani Maham's administration, sector by sector, you be say yanya she yambabo brabia. So this 1 year is an abysmal performance by this government. There is no hope. There is no hope.
It does say. I'll come back to you, brother. Asabina, are you done? Or should go to High Port? You are done?
I'm done.
Okay, right. So can you finish up your submission?
Okay. Like I was saying, Mr. Mont, so somebody like Owusu bempa de me di Nyankopon di sirem. Se mo nyina mo betie masema. Asamo boba na initially me kasa bo ngina mo ntie. Bo wona abegyensem. Se matese asam na ba me kasa mo ngina ya mo ngino. Yo me ya me hwe no. Na Owusu bempa why hwan? We was you concentrating on him talking about it. Me the last time I checked, my guys were wumpo. As I'm power. Some guys were is me I'm for me tin in charge. When I'm born in dinner, my artist say what that's what I see. And the work and the what in it in care. Yeah, but yes, if you didn't hear for the rehona, but you know. We were born in the Miraho. I thought say New Year simple. My mommy and cat as a form was I was for this question that bother me. I don't gonna for me na matana Mahama did dollar depreciation that now suffer for credit in a puppet so no more cabby and Mahama Ebusa for mama mean be so. Your friend is saying you to Ghana home. Dear bempa na wo sofo wo ko kroma wo ko hu se wo akoto ana se good and services ben na wo ko ya ye randa wa eso wate dear mamaka last 2 months ya mitunsuo wo kwa ngoma nipa kro na okotu ye no initially o ka so obaji me 18,000 na me dem me brother ne kan ya na o te so ne ba 16,000 enra ya masako fre nipa ne se Omra metunsuo no mame a wo sha say about 20,000 meka de also obaji 18,000 ada was a machine na ye de tunsuo ye de pump na yatum that's the last time I checked even that time no krana me ne wo kasa na dollar na ye da 12 something and your friend is say and the dollar no kra but 10.17 11 me fan say $11 ada there was a would 200 as a 300 30 sikano kra Ghana scan na mrefi 30 no saying 18 15 no what the 3 also what the 3,000 can ai madam say what no ade na ye de tunsuo no boy just say on say at the end of the day no dollar depreciation no anya me hwe amfa for so bia maso amame say I have to add more I was say me this can bio san kra ka ho ansa na de kode no watimi aya enti say what to honom say ya for usika $11 billion so ya de kwashe dollar mu na say dollar abafom na at the end of the day what memuni no wenya impact be and free so nya say woman say what's a would show trim just so dollar abafom e idea na one year free so $1 bar for me. Say we call electricity. Yatum saying. The last time I checked, it when I was 97 about 9 I back home. It's a quarter $40. 40%. Who they can we end this in here? If I may buy a young person in the reasoning power and the Becassa. So what I say? Say electricity in Kwa will be so 1 year. What to almost 40%. What to consume? Insurance what to ya to school fees ya to 80 dear plan when this we end this in here. Na mom so onya ne ye no watch ya na no mo be ka cha no na mo sing the praises there nyame ni mama ade na aye hu o say o man no so please mama nyina come on me kan cha John Mahama. Thank you
so much Answer Bina for that one. Yeah, Wycliffe, Hypod by answer now. So after Hypod, then you come, please.
Okay.
Yeah. Hypod, good morning.
Yeah, good morning. Voice na po mo
yes, I do.
I'm out of Juma na yet. Na Honorable Boache Jaco Kasembi. Sasa mo no me wiro infida. I say my party right or wrong. My party first. The bia or radio station now. Me kai peace FM or kwase mo kan no. My party right or wrong. My party first. It means no matter the situation, you have to defend the party. And sana se chire kura no assembly wo ha yakano wo ifie ana yakano dem na party a aboa wo ama wa yeye na ene otina radio so hwe obi wo wa yese yeka assembly wo yen jama nko Ghana situation no e different da bia meka me say Ghana ni tie asemo pay attention to the details. The interesting part now are the value be to assemble. I don't know the call. So the woman here political psychology no. Now NDC is very smart in that. Almost 30 years na Ghana for year journey senior yeah normal. So NDC is very smart. And now Canada Japan and crop for now then. Almost so if you look at the Ken campaign, they are using the same strategy. Now, only thing about the neutralize strategy. No, I say we devise a engagement strategy, a different engagement strategy to neutralize that kind of strategy. Kennedy we use. And I'm happy say Dr. Bawumia is engaging. There's a difference between campaigning. There's a difference between campaigning and engagement. The engagement is when sometimes you miss people one-on-one, sometimes in the small groups, sometimes. You understand? So that you have they have one-on-one talk. Instead you be share ni power dem na kasana wo dia tem na to ayampia. MPP party no ye won krofo bi a eda o makoma so. Wo badwin say sebe. Wo be say wo di party nim tie bi a wo dia tem ke kan say bi mo di wachi a you lie. They will just listen to you, but within them no they can weigh you and know say no. Will not allow you to come and lead this party. This is not a party that anybody at all can come and lead. Indeed, when I walk and I are onto the boss, but Osha in some can I say internal campaigning and near more interest. Timmy we say I'm planning say to obey we are Owusu. Definitely he is going to lose. Now obey to me, you bet my carbon with his utterances. Do you think that it's possible say Canada Japan bet my janaka a platform so I campaign about Dr. Bawumia. Of all the things that he's saying around, she say na about 3 weeks. So me the empire me want say Dr. Bawumia team voice mo na mo ben doctor no me ade. Osha engagement no mo feedback if you constituency ni ade ba no say yeah. Maintain there because it's very important.
Sorry. So far, no positive. The only region that I have an issue with is say voter region, my region. That's all. But so very far, good. No, we are doing.
It's going well. I mean, for the next 3 weeks, I didn't hear no. So continue to intensify. Now, also, what happened? First, I remember 2011, Dr. Bawumia be the Look, Dr. Bawumia presentation was Central University. Can the Japan radio station, they quote him.
Yeah.
Also, Bawumia be any presentation. They ran for the document from radio station to radio station, and they use it as a reference. The ampa say ampa said. Omo nyina yen penifo basa ni pa 5 pa yen racket. Pa say the one doctor Gina United Nations say mumma come and give some article, come and give some speech. Massa. Na Ghana pa ade en akoi. Oh, da bia me come say yembu nim de. Yembu nim de yebu sika. Yamfa sika so kikire man ye nim de na kikire man nti o man Bible say nim de a me man ninti. So we need to fight for knowledge and your resources. Knowledge is the mother of all resources. Knowledge is the mother of all resources. So I will prefer somebody with knowledge than somebody with money, because with the knowledge you can make money at any time. But when the money, those who are fighting for the money, when the money finish and you don't have the knowledge, when your contract you, when your way you man, you see can answer. A person, oh, inti be the debia me bomb pass I see what for no. Omo hu say ye de nim die na kikire man, enye sika. Na wo hwe nipa ne num kasa, o nim die a wo behu. Wo hwe ne ye ya, obi adwen papa wo ni tiri mu a, wo behu. Obi a party a wa be di mu MP 24 years. What about board members upon board member, leader of parliament, in legal whatever, security then. Now we general cassette your party, cassette your previous administration. If you win, what are you going to campaign on? What are you going to stand on to campaign? And he's not going to win either, because what you party for Naomi time, but they will not say it in his face. But within them, they are just keeping quiet. They will show him. Oh no, almost me percent difference no anya wide. So say bia when you buy 50% and now when you buy na doctor ko buy 78 a ho no say ne ho adwukra but e ban ni buy say 35 40 ya be kukuku ti say bia yi owodom but onya buy 15% a wo say ne ho buy den ne ho badwo nti me dey me bomb pass party for no mo to aba no voice say mo monitor na engagement no. And because send a doctor engage you, that is the way to go. You keep on engaging them one-on-one in a group. Now they will vote for him. The man is going to win. I can't deny a boy papa the Unya Massam. I mean, your mama one year no maybe can she or mom quarter of a man. They should stand in judge. A nurse for a teacher for or almost a job for man almost a move phrase is to make your school fees. Secondary school for almost university for almost ice cream. Those people should measure him, not me. That's film about Omokoji, Omutimi fees, Omokoji, nurse for your former teacher for my country to say they should measure the man, not me. It's even you have Medasi, but your mom, Babua, Doctor Nabi, I come.
Amen. Amen. Thank you so much.